All right, welcome. So I just got my um, approval today from INE for my uh, web application penetration testing professional certification. So I just got that back, passed it. So pretty excited about that. So here it is. Just want to give a quick review about it and show you all what this is about and everything, what the course is about, and yeah. So if you want to do anything like this, so the eWPT exam, it covers OWASP Top 10, which pretty much covers all of that. All right, going through it, just go through what modules covers, things like that, like real quick, and then we'll talk about the exam a little bit. So HTTP cookies in session, same origin policy. So a little bit into internet, some of that, just looking at how the internet works and everything. Subdomain enumeration, so using dirbuster, Python, or excuse me, dirbuster, dirsearch, zap, things like that. Cross-site scripting, all right, and then using a beef hook with the cross-site scripting, SQL injection, how to find them, and then the different types of SQL injection. All right, then we have bypassing username and authentication. So bypassing things like that. I think actually in this way I should do some SQL injection there also. Session hijacking, cross-site request forgery, attacking Flash, HTML5, file resources. This is like local file inclusion and remote file inclusion. Clickjacking, SOAP, which is like XML, XPath and XCAT, and then goes through WordPress. And then obviously the NoSQL, things like that. The course was a lot of fun. I actually had a lot of fun doing it. The whole course and everything was a lot of fun. The test was a blast. They give you it's not like a network like you would see with like what you see with eCPPT or eJPT. It's a website, and you have to find different areas of that website, um, and everything that website holds for you. And then you just have to start testing stuff. And what I like about this test, what I like about the eCPPT and eJPT, also mostly eCPPT, is that you can't just get to the final point and pass it. You have to actually, like test the different areas and things like that to see what is vulnerable, what can you find, because there's a lot of vulnerabilities in there that may not actually, it won't do anything for you to be able to get the final goal. And the final goal is to obtain an admin session. Um, that's through any way possible, really. There is live users, we'll say, live users on the network. I know a lot of people, including myself, that did not work for them, the live users, but there are other ways to be able to obtain what you need to obtain to get in there. Um, but yeah, going through this course, if you want to do anything with web application penetration testing, I highly, highly suggest it. I think it should be a thing that a lot of people go through just to learn web application penetration testing. You will learn a lot of stuff in this course. This is just professional. This isn't the extreme one or anything like that. This is just the professional one, and you will learn a lot of different topics. Um, and you'll learn really how to take Burp Suite and bring your Burp Suite skills to like the next level, stuff like that. If you're only really interested in just like Burp Suite stuff, they do have the different courses like the bug bounty courses, things like that, that can also help you bring Burp Suite to the next level. I'm also seeing if I want to do this King of the Hill or not. But yeah, cross-site scripting, learned a bunch about that, what you can actually do with it, creating those web hooks, things like that with cross-site scripting, creating that beef hook and everything, bringing it back to myself, stealing cookies with cross-site scripting. So that was a lot of fun. Stored base versus DOM versus reflected. With SQL injection, utilizing SQL map, even when it's saying, hey, it doesn't think this is vulnerable, still using it and trying to dig deeper, using more risk, using a higher level, and just trying to dig deeper, something like that, and really trying to get in there. How you doing, Pratt? So really just trying to get in there and see, like, is this vulnerable or not? Intercepting the request within Burp Suite and then sending, a text file to SQL map. That was something that I learned. Um, Utilizing the SOAP actions and things like that, and WSDL, and finding that information and being able to actually attack stuff that utilizes soap. That was pretty awesome to learn also. So just going through this whole thing, learning those different topics and everything was a lot of fun. It was fun, and the test was also a lot of fun. Quite a few things you could do. Now, to get you prepared for the test, I do have videos on, let me see here, on OWASP Top 10. I have 3 videos on that, and I also have videos on Juice Shop, which it's not going to prepare you totally for the test, but it should prepare you a lot for it. It should give you a good starting point, and then that plus all this will really prepare you for it. Just like everyone else always says, INE does teach everything that you do need to know, so there's nothing like hidden or anything like that. Just those other services, those the OWASP, things like that, and Juice Shop, that just gives you others ideas on how to do something. So you may be like, oh, let me try this, or oh, let me try that. Also, Port Swigger. If you've never been to Port Swigger Labs, that's who builds Burp Suite. So Port Swigger, WIGGR Labs. This is a great tool also. They have a bunch of labs, and they go through, and if you just want to learn SQL injection union, determine the number of columns, return by query. If you want to learn just that, you would click on here, and you could utilize that lab, okay? So they have a bunch of labs. These are all free, all the Port Swigger labs, and they're pretty awesome, and you can go through this whole thing and learn how to do it manually, learn how to do it with SQL map, and really just get through there and practice like that also. Just another way to practice. The more ways you know how to attack something, the better. So that's enough for me talking about it. It was an awesome test. It was a fun test. You have 7 days to hack it, 7 days to write your report, so 14 days total. So just same exact time frame as ECPPT or ECCPT, whatever it is, Certified Professional Penetration Test. Yeah, ECPPT. There we go. I'm on a field optic right now. It's called CCPT, so getting those things confused. But yeah, well, or you retracted your message. Well, we'll go ahead and do food, I guess. Let me go ahead and actually. What am I on like right now? Okay, I'm on this. But I didn't really prepare for this at all, so let me go ahead and grab the IP address, and we'll go ahead and do food and see if we can hack into this guy. So let's make a directory and desktop, try hack me, King of the Hill, food. We'll CD into there. Okay. I don't know why I'm even doing it in that guy. Let's make a new window. Let's minimize this guy out. Might as well start by IMAP scan everything. And let's go ahead and try to do a little King of the Hill kind of thing here. So we got 3306 and port 22. 3306 is MySQL, so that is something that we do want to look at. So let's go ahead and go ahead and CD into desktop, try Acme King of the Hill food. And we'll go ahead and do a MySQL TAC H, whatever that guy is. TAC U root, TAC P. We could try root again. Root admin. Okay, root. There we go. So old default credentials. So we got that right. And he's already in it, I think. King changes 1. I think that he already knows how to do it, and it's probably already shut down. But let's go ahead and use show databases. I don't know how to do this one, so show databases, so we can use users. So show tables and select star from user, and hopefully you didn't change password or else we're kind of screwed. And there, oh, we got 2. Okay, so we got ramen noodles are the best. Okay, let's go ahead and we can just stop this now because I mean we got in. So let's go ahead and SSH into ramen at the IP address, and yes, and we'll go ahead and do noodles are the best. So I'm gonna go with that SSH password, and we also got a flag here, and yep, we are in as ramen noodles are the best. Cool. We'll submit that. I don't know how we already have a king change because he doesn't have a flag or anything yet, and 0 points, but whatever. All right, awesome. So let's go ahead and start to see what this guy's all about. Do an ls tech LA. Okay, I guess we can do a sudo tech L since we do know his password. And ramen noodles are the best. Sorry, user. Okay, so we cannot run sudo. That's okay. we'll work around that. Let's go ahead and do some SUID bit lookup. Let's go ahead and cat my scripts SUID lookup. And also, if you are part of the Discord, I did put these scripts that I use into GitHub. So all those scripts are in there now. So tell that login. I'm trying to find anything that really screen 4.5.0. That's what sticks out to me. So let's go ahead and go to GTF opens and let's do screen. I think we might be able to run that as sudo. I don't know. We could try it. He says that I can't run a sudo, but we could try it. But that, especially with the 4.5.0, that really sticks out to me. Let's go ahead and do a sudo screen, I guess. I don't think we're allowed to. That is not his password. Okay, so now we just gotta try to figure out how to run screen 4.5.0. Screen 4.5.0 privesc. Oh, have I done screen 4.5.0 privesc before? Alright, so looks like we can just drop this guy in there and we should get something. Which, if he's on exploit database, that means he should be in search exploit. Screen. GNU screen 4.5.0 local privilege escalation. So let's go ahead and CD into desktop, try activate King of the Hill food, and we'll go ahead and grab that one. Screen 4.5.0, so we'll go ahead and grab this guy. Then we also have the proof of concept like right there. So we'll do a search exploit tac m to bring that back down to me, right? Let's go ahead and cat him 41154.sh. And it looks like we do have to do some type of compiling here. Screenroot.sh. Or if we just have to run this screenroot.sh, in all honesty. If we could just run 41554.sh. Let's go ahead and make a Python tac m. Simple server. wget cd into temp. wget this guy. HTTP 8888 slash, and it was 4114.sh, right? Let's go ahead and wget that, and we got that. Okay, change mode to +X for 41 there, period slash 41554.sh. Okay, bin bash bad interpreter, no such file directory. Bash. First clear shell. Okay, warning here. Document line 10 delimited by end of file. Wanted EOF. Okay, so I think we might have to, because this is two different files here, right? Okay, we got this attribute. Boom, boom. Print up done. End of file. So I'm thinking we might have to put this guy and this one in there, and do a GCC for both of them. That's what I'm thinking. Like right now. Now, how we're going to GNU screen root, cat in the file, temp libhacks, means that we're going to need that libhacks file in there. So we're going to need this guy to be compiled in there. So let's go ahead and libhacks. Search exploit. Libhacks. Guys, get that? I didn't think so. I'm going back out of here because this is the proof of concept like right here. Screen version. Okay. GNU screen. Local privilege escalation. Replicating. Privilege escalation screen. 41154. That's literally what we just used. But pretty sure we need this libhacks in there, and also there's root shell in there. Yeah, I definitely need that one in there. So we need to find that first, like wherever that libhacks is at. How'd this guy do it? Yep, screen 4.5.0. So we did that. So he did include set UID. Best compile manually and locally, so create root shell.c pile. Okay, so he took libhacks, attribute constructor, drop shell, void. Okay, so include. Okay, so he took these guys, made that obviously libhacks. Then he took these guys and made that root shell. Why do a reverse shell on here? Screen.c, here we go. GNU screen is prone to local, okay. Exploit. Okay, so I think what we need to do is we're going to have to compile this ourselves. So let's go ahead and grab all this. Does this guy have a compiler on him? No input files. He does. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and do a nano libhacks.c. There we go. Control X. Yes. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and grab this GCC for him. He already is in temp root shell 00. Change mode root shell. Okay, boom, boom. I feel like we need to. Okay, there we go. So he. Error expected difference statement at the end of printf plus done. Maybe I had to put that EOF at the end. Okay, I had to have that. Whoopsie daisy. And then probably the end of file, I would think. I don't know. When we go, we're probably going to need the end of file for that also. Where's the other guy that did it? Because he compiled it manually also, right? So that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we need to. Okay, so he's put it like that, and he did not. Okay. Cool. Control X, yes. Enter. Okay. Looks like we're good with that one. Alright. Let's do an ls-la. Whoops. And we have that libhacks.c. Libhacks.so. Alright, cool. So we got that one. Now let's do the same thing with the other one, right? So let's go ahead and compile the other one. And that's going to be this guy right here, right? And the file. Boom. There we go. Boom. So that's going to be a nano for root shell.c. Okay. And then we'll rename that to root shell. ls-la. See if root shell's in there now. It is. Alright, cool. So now we should be able to run that. This guy right here. Let's go ahead and try to run him again. First we're going to do, okay, warning, here document line 10 delimited by end of file, wanted EOF. So I wonder if I need that EOF in there also. Huh. Because He didn't have any EOFs. What if we need to get rid of something with that? I'm also wondering if screen's the only way too. Screen 4.5.0. 4.5.0 Privesk. Privesk. Alright, let's see about this one. Escalation steps, boom. Jesus, that's annoying as hell. There we go, 4.5.0 again. This thing is killing me. Come on now. Does this guy do it? So he's also doing it, okay. He's got screen 4.50. Compile / temp root shell binary. Alright, cat EOF. So is that how he compiled his? It was like that? Okay. So it looks like I'm going to have to... I'm actually probably going to take exactly what this guy has. Can I take this or no? No, why would I? So it looks like I do an EOF at the end here. Let's go ahead and remove. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and we'll try to recompile it just like how that guy has it. Seems like he knows what he's doing. So we'll go ahead and do a nano for libhacks.c. Alright, we have include, boom, boom. So that's cat EOF, boom, libhacks.c, okay. Good, 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 good. And then it goes EOF. Alright. There's that one. And then let's go ahead and do a nano for root shell.c. And we'll go to the very bottom and type in EOF again. I don't know why it has that one like right there, but that's okay. Okay, so now let's go ahead and GCC. Tag FPIC. FPIC. Shared LDL, TACO. Boom, boom. Okay, we'll go with that. Enter. Okay, yeah, I didn't think that was a thing. Stack LA. He is not in there. Okay. Get rid of that. Why is there like no end of file now? This is really weird. Jesus. Please quiet down. Sorry, I've been working on Cisco a lot lately. Why is there no end of file now? MoveTac RF libhacks.c nano libhacks.c. I'm just going to go all the way down like right here. Screw it. I'm just going to grab this guy like right here. Told you I've been working on it a lot. see that we create our shell library. Here, document line 10 delimited. End of file. Wanted EOF. I'm trying to give you EOF, but you're not wanting to take EOF. I promise you. No, I'm not getting anything out of this guy, huh? Should only go to like right here. That should be it. No, this should be in there. Okay. We should be able to do the same exact thing for the other one. EOF temp root shell. Root shell.c. Root shell.c. We should just be able to GCC him. Whoops. Warning at end of input. What was wrong now? Expected declaration statement at end of input. Oh, that's what's wrong. Okay, never mind. Alright. Now let's go ahead and... Okay. So now we have both those now. libhacks and this guy. It's probably still not going to work, but... I'll give it a quick try. Yeah. Want it end of file. I don't know why you want end of file so badly. Really wish that you wouldn't want that so badly. You fucker. What a fucker, you know? The Vax root shell. This is one of the things I hate whenever they put two of them together. You have to sit there and play around with crap like this all the time. This is gets annoying. So this guy get in there? Probably. Nope, not yet. Only 20 points so far. Why is this guy being such a pain though to get in? That's what I'm not understanding. Like, he is being rough to get in there though. Jesus Christ almighty. Jesus, there we go. I don't really know. Like, I'm not getting very far on this guy because I can't figure out what does it want me to do for that. That's what I don't get. Alright, you know what? Maybe we could find something else. That guy does not want to run. See anything else in here? Screen, Vim. Vim.basic, that might be something that we can utilize. Maybe Vim.basic. Can we make like an SSL password? Can we nano or Vim.basic? Etsy password. Is that like a thing? It is, okay. So can we like press enter or type command continue? Enter, okay. So do we need like the SSL? Like do we need to like make that? Because I'm pretty sure for that one you need to do like an actual like SSL thing, and then it creates that SSL password, which then you throw into the password area, which then would allow you to actually put it into that guy. So I think you can do that. So I don't remember how to make an SSL password though. Etsy password SSL. I'll generate Etsy password hash via the, okay. Open SSL password tag I and then make a password. Okay. So let's try that. Open SSL password. What was it? Open SSL password tag I. If you want to pass along your salt. Open SSL. I think it's just PASSWD. I don't think I need to tack one. PASSWD. Password. Password. So that's supposedly password. So we should be able to get rid of that X link right there and put in that guy. Whoops. Exit out of here. WQ to write it. Okay, so that worked. Did it though? That's enter cat. Type of command and continue. No write since last change. Bin bash WQ command not found. So how do I save you then? I hate Vim. Like I hate Vim so much that I will close out of it just not to have to play with it. Like I hate it so much that I may just not even utilize Vim. Maybe there's another way to be able to get in this guy, because that is annoying as shit. Like that is super annoying. I hate you, Vim. I just don't understand why it's so difficult, Vim, like to like do anything with. What was it? SSH into here. You hate Vim, leave something in the comments. Like we should all just start to realize that Vim is not needed. It's not this shouldn't be this difficult just to like save a file. I hate it. I think it's just really dumb errors. I think there's no point in having it that difficult to save something. Like just save a file, something like that. You have to like look up commands. Just there's no point in it. Like just use Sublime Text. Use anything really. Let's go and cat those SUID bits again. See if we can find anything else in here. Actually, you know what? Let's just do this. CD and attempt. We'll copy limpies into here. Do an ifconfig. Python. There we go. wget http 10.9.8.166. slash limpies. Whoops. 8888 slash limpies, and then we'll do a period slash limpies. Change mode plus X limpies period slash limpies. So we found screen. Wasn't able to compile that. No idea how to. Then we found that Vim Basic is on here. We have a sudo version 1.8.21. Let's see if this does anything. Search exploit sudo 1.8.21 1.8.20. This guy doesn't really seem to be helping out very much, now does he? Let me see what 4.15.0. That seems pretty old, actually. Might be able to use Linux exploit suggester. Find something with that. Let's see if Vim Basic, if it even says like, hey, like you want to look at this. Let's see here. I mean, it's got a whole bunch of like, hey, Vim Basic is in there. It's executing a whole bunch of stuff. Executing set and impersonate it. Okay. Doing a whole bunch of stuff in here with Vim Basic, but what was that? Kernel version? Might be able to do something with the kernel version. We'll go ahead and let him run and see if we can get anywhere with that. Like right there. I still have no idea how. I feel like we should already be root, but I still don't understand how do I get utilize that print, like right there. This guy, is he even showing print or screen? Excuse me, not print but screen. We haven't got to that point yet. MySQL connection using default root. Yep, found that. Okay. We got into the thing immediately. Now we just need to get our privileges higher. This is all about privilege escalation for this one. This privilege escalation becoming a pain. Yeah, there's definitely interesting things in there, but the things I put in there. Ramen, Vim info. Any other user on this box? Try Acme. Nothing running gold in here. Put that, copy that over for now. But nothing really running gold in here. Nothing that's like, hey, like this is going to be a good one to look at. So I don't really know. It is very annoying. It really is. Oh, yellow. We had Vim Basic, right? We had screen 4.5.0. Trying to compile this guy right here, but he just does not want to be compiled. And the file wanted EOF. You have EOF there. That's why I don't understand, like right there. Line 42. Which one? Is my question. Sublime. Line 42, huh? So on line 42, it wanted EOF. Do you need another one of those, and then EOF? Is that what you need? Need something like that? Here, big guy. I can add that in there if you'd like. Line 42 is the last one, so what if you just want something like that? Do you just want that in there? We can put that in there if you like, big guy. Nano screen root.sh. Actually, you know what? Tech RF screen root.sh. Nano screen root.sh. Is that what you wanted? That is what you wanted. Alright, so figure that one out. He needed to be changed, and we needed to put an end of file at the very end of that guy. So I guess we just had to do something like that, and we got into him. There's probably a way to be able to use Vim Basic also. So let's go ahead and cd and slash root. That took way longer than what it should have. But now I know for next time. Let's go ahead and cat that flag.txt. Oh, cat flag. There we go, there's another flag. And we can go ahead and throw that into King of the Hill here. Cool. And let's go ahead and echo overgrown caret 1 into king.txt. Okay. And let's try to find more stuff. Let's go with cd and var www. Is that thing in here? Nope. Go ahead and do a scripts. Cat my scripts for find user text. Yep. And then we'll just make it so it just says flag. So we'll say hey, flag.txt. Bar flag. Okay, we can go ahead and cat that. There's another one. Cool. Let's go ahead and keep this going now. What is going on here? My phone is blowing up. Today's my son's birthday also. Turned 3 today. So very exciting. Great. Yeah. I know. That took way longer than what it should have though. But that's okay. Learned a lot. Learned that that guy was not a fun file to work with. Alright, so we got the var now. We have that flag. Let's go ahead and look up if they just have flags. That's what the other one had. Go ahead and just try to find that like real quick. Whoa, we got, okay, so home bread flag, try happy flag 7, root flag. So we got a lot of flags in here. Cat that. We will cat this. We will cat him. And I think we already got the bar flag. Root flag, we already got flag 7. So there's a lot of flags in here, huh? Okay, cool. So let's grab those 3. That was flag 7. That means I'm still missing some flags. Submit that guy. Submit him. Might be another flag in MySQL. Submit him. Oh boy. Probably not very happy I submitted all three of those at once. I wonder if there's another flag. What is this? WM flag. Got that. Okay. I wonder if there's another flag in MySQL. Exit. Whoopsie daisy. Root. Show databases. Use sys. Show tables. Alright, just taking a minute to get in there. I don't know if we'll actually be able to find any more flags, but we'll try. Alright, got the root flag. Let's go ahead and CD into home. So databases. Use MySQL. We'll try that one this time. Does not want us to connect to anything else. We already got all those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got all those. CD and try hack me. I think we already got that one. CD and try hack me. Jeez Louise, if I could type. There we go. Flag 7. Yep, we already got him. MySQL, so show tables, select star from user, and that's just showing the native SQL password. Okay, showing root. Okay, show databases again, use sys. We'll try sys again. That one is a normal one. CD back. Well, it's image. Okay, never mind. We can where am I going? Okay. So let's try hack me right. CD and ramen. I don't think that he had anything in there, did he? He did not. Let's go ahead and show tables. User summary. Okay, so sys isn't going to have anything for us here. Session. Alright, show databases again. Oh, yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about this. Yeah. Am I not the king? I'm pretty sure I was the king. Not saying I'm the king. That's weird. So let's go ahead and CD back into root. Cat king.txt. Okay. Echo overgrown carrot 1 and 2 king.txt. Cat king.txt. Okay, that was weird. Maybe I didn't do it right the first time. Let's see if yeah, I must have just not done it right the first time. So that's okay. Flag, I don't know what else. User. Whoopsie daisy. Not over there. Over here. User.txt. I don't know if I even looked that one up yet. Maybe I've already looked this one up. I always try like local.txt or something like that. User.txt. Nope. Okay. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find every flag. We'll CD in a var. There's the flag right there. Flag that text. Let's go ahead and CD into backups. CD into local. CD into slash games or slash media, I think it is. That's games, right? Nothing in media. Is games one? Yeah, okay, no. CD into Etsy. I don't know where this last flag is at. Or maybe they miscounted. CD into no flags in here. There we go, CD into games. I have seen flags in games before. Nope. Slash bin. Yep, okay, well, I'm pretty much done with this one. Highly suggest the web application penetration testing, like I was talking about in the beginning. It was a lot of fun. It was a great time. Had a really fun time taking that test. Learned a lot of stuff throughout the test. And yeah, just like in the very beginning, just like I was suggesting, this guy like right here, and also Port Swigger, OAuths, and Juice Shop. I do have OAuth's top 10, 3 videos on that. I do have Juice Shop on there also. I don't have Port Swigger. If you guys would like to see that, I'll start doing Port Swigger videos. But yeah, this was a great resource for learning web application penetration testing. It was a lot of fun. I had a great time doing it. The test was actually a lot of fun. And the community in general on their Discord for the INE Discord is a lot of fun too. So a lot of really smart people in there. Teach you a lot of different stuff. And yeah, I mean that's really about it. I'll stick around for any questions you guys got about the web application penetration testing. I know we kind of went off on the deep end there with that King of the Hill, but I just didn't want to make a video just on just this, and that's it. So I want to kind of showcase that web application penetration testing, and then do something within Try Hack Me today. So we did get food done on King of the Hill, which was fun, and we got privilege escalation finished, which was something else, like right there. Ooh. Yeah, I'll stick around for a minute if anybody's got any questions. Other than that, you guys have a good night or morning, whatever it is for you. Alright, not looking like anyone has any questions, so I'm going to head out. You guys have a good one. Have a good evening, and yep, I'll see you guys next time, probably tomorrow or whenever else.